Now let us see 16th mantra. What does 16th mantra say? अथ त्रयो वाव लोका मनुष्यलोकः पितृलोकः देवलोकः इति सोऽयं मनुष्यलोकः पुत्रेणैव जय्यः नान्येन कर्मणा पितृलोकः विद्यया देवलोकः देवलोको वै लोकानां श्रेष्ठः तस्माद् विद्यां प्रशंसन्ति. So it is said here, in the previous two verses, Shodash Kala Prajapati was mentioned, talked about. So distinct talk was about the upasana, about the karma phal, and what is the upasana phalam. Now Brihadaranyak is consolidating. And it is classifying what is sadhan and what is sadhya. And it is important when very much quoted by Shankaracharya ji. So in this mantra, 3 sadhana is mentioned and 3 sadh is mentioned. Okay. So what are the 3 sadhana? Putra, karma and upasana. There are 3 sadhanas. And 3 sadhya is the Manushya Lok, Pitralok and Devalok. Pitralok. So when a person does an action, not everybody wants moksha. When a person does an action, he wants extremely conducive situation is a common point of everybody. People say, I don't want Swarga because they don't know it. But they want to go to America. The Swarg is a field of experience of extreme conduciveness. And this one mantra comes in Kathopanishad, na tatra tvam na jarya bibeti swarge loke na bhayam kinchana asti na tatra tvam na jarya bibeti ubhe tirtva shanaya pipase shokati go modate swarga loke. There is no fear there. There is no, this Yamraj, this Nachiketa says, there is no fear, there is no disease, there is no body like this, there is no hunger and thirst. That doesn't mean food is not there. So much food is there, you are not hungry. Without food, what Swarga is there? Better is this. So, and then Nachiketa says, he was a little naughty. He said, you are also not there. Na tatra tvam na jarya. Neither old age is there, no disease is there. So Swarga is the acme of all conducive situations. Good dhyan dena. Why do we need a lok? Why do we need? Well, kaha ye sab lok ho, kaha hota hai? Wait. When anybody does a action is too good action that the fruit of that action cannot be given in a human birth. Because moment you get in a human birth, there is a mixed fruit. You will have old age also. You will have childhood also. You will have to work also. Some flu also will be there. Somebody will insult also. So here it is very good to get mixed fruit of action. You can't have the fruit that he is ever green or he has no disease and he has no old age. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Or birth itself is a painful experience. When a child is born and he is pushed out of the mother's womb, so they pat him or hit him, I don't know. So make him cry so that lungs grow. Lungs expands. then he is unable to breathe or unable to express. So in all ages in human being, there is certain inability. I'll tell you what inability is there. When the jeev is a baby, he has inability of expression. He can't say, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. He will only cry. Mother will think that he has hunger. But maybe he has a stomachache. Maybe burp is not proper. Burp. So they have to do. Maybe something is itching somewhere. But inability is there, he can't express. As he goes to school, now he has the inability of learning everything. As he becomes young, so he has the inability of getting the best job. Okay, as he goes, he has the inability of controlling his calm. As he grows more, he has the inability of handling the wife and husband. As he grows more old, he has the inability of sustaining the household. Every people are happy. Because as he grows, what happens? More people are dependent on you. Increasing age means dependency is increasing. More people are there whom you are attached to. At the age of 10, you are only attached to your father, mother. At the age of 20, maybe some friend, boy, girl, whosoever is there. At the age of 25, 20, 30, you are attached to one husband or wife. Attachment means his prarabdha and his nature is on me now. I have a baggage. One attachment means two baggage. His nature and his fate, both usko jhelo usko. You don't live with the external body. Now you have children also. You are now attached to three people now. Now he is not well, or his nature is not well. Now it is now upon you now. Usko jhelo baba. And after that you grow, then grandchildren are there. अब ये सब चलता रहेगा, तमाशा होता रहेगा. So in this human and old age, old age को छोड़े. Old age, lot of inability is there. Inability to walk, inability to think. Sometimes you sign on a check. I don't know this experience you have. You go to the bank, so that cashier will say, he said this sign is not matching. हुआ है ऐसा? So then again you will sign. When all these things happen, you understand this is the old age is coming now. Inability to digest. Inability to, to be at par with all knowledge. Old age does not need any other diseases. And now, the knee pain is of course there. Knee pain is very loyal disease. वो तो बोलता है भाई तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना. Inability to get out of diabetes, inability to get out of blood pressure, inability to get out of acidity, arthritis, this back pain is there, inability. So every kind of manushya, there is some inability associated. Howsoever great person you may be, how big person you may be, it doesn't matter. And some people in your family you can't handle also, to make the matter worst. Some people in the family itself you can't handle. I'm unable to control him. Around you, if everybody is controllable and in charge and under your control, they are okay. But some people will be there and out of charge. समझ में नहीं आता. Especially if younger person is like that, that is worst. Well, he is not listening. He is not under my control. There some inabilities हैं. अब supposing some jeev is there, he has done very good actions. So the Chitragupta ji is there. Chitragupta, he is the accountant of all the jivas. जीव अकाउंटेंट, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट नहीं, जीव अकाउंटेंट. बोले दिखाओ भाई इसका क्या फ्रूट आ रहा है. बोले he did Vishnu Sahasranam 1,00,000 times. 1,00,000 times, yes. और क्या है? बोले he served his parent. How many times he pressed the feet? बोले he pressed it 17,525 times. Okay. बोले he gave food or not? बोले yes, he has given food so many times. He has donated or not? Well, yes, he donated this much, I think 50% of his money. Well, tell his negative points. Well, negative is very less. I think human birth, if you put him, he will have to go through pains. He deserved a bigger loka now. He fit in nahi ho raha hai. Actions are too good. Because here if you put, he will have some pain. इसको जरा ऊपर के लोग भेजो उसको. If I give him this body, he will have a problem. Sometimes you go for blood test, vitamin D is less. Protein is less. Dental problem. In every 6 inch, there can be 1,000 diseases. Every 6 inch apart of the body, 1,000 diseases are there. अब डेंटल में इतनी प्रॉब्लम. Dentist, I don't know you face dentist or not. Dentist. In Swarg, dentists are there, no doctors. Because that is not meant for any bad fruit. Here dentist problems are there, dental problem is there. The ENT is there, ear, nose, throat, thyroid is there, hypo is there, hyper is there. क्या क्या होता है? Some have both. Some have sinuses, and some have migraine. Migraine, जो भी बोलते रहो, migraine हो जाता है. That headache is there. In brain also there is brain ulcer, brain tumor, पता नहीं क्या क्या होता है. ये तो body दिख रही है. From the outside you just see the body, but you don't know what tamasha it can make. It can create tremendous problem. And if a person has to die, something has to be there. How will he pass away? So some disease has to be there, some pain. So बस आ गया वो pain. Typical cases. Somebody was there at one place, he said, some person was there from morning 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. That time only memory is there. So after 12 o'clock, his memory starts fading away. And it fades away after that. So by 7 o'clock evening, all memory has gone. Again morning, he will have memory. क्या disease है? Dementia is there. क्या क्या नाम ले? You can't recognize your father, mother, child. Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, क्या क्या बढ़िया बढ़िया नाम है. You have no control. But he has done, sir. Chitragupta ji is saying, Dharmaraj ji, he has done so much Vishnu Sahasranam. Did he lie? No, hardly he lied. Did he kick anybody? Shout? No. Very quiet person. Not no anger. No, hardly any anger was there. Character-wise, excellent. Did he cheat anybody? No. Only few mistakes he did. That for that fruit we should not put him here. It will be over-punishing him. He is not deserving big fruit. Acha, 1 minute. CG means Chitragupta. He said, Bhai Chitragupta, he said, Chitragupta, tell me one thing. What was his desire? Because I will fit the fruit of action and the desire. He said, desire was to be very happy, give nice house, nice wife, nice children, all conducive. बोले तो उसको स्वर्ग भेजो भाई. यहाँ वाले तो he will get troubled. I don't want to trouble him. Traffic jam is there. Rain is there. You have to walk slowly. Swarg is not like that you are with the no possibility of sleeping there. यहाँ तो परेशान हो जाएगा. human being, 100 things are there. So what shall I do? Nothing to do. You do nothing. Give him bigger lokas. And that bigger lokas is mentioned here as Pitraloka, Devaloka. एक चीज अच्छा उल्टा कर लेते हैं. Somebody did so much of sins. बोले if I hit him badly, बोले he'll faint. अब Kasab got the punishment after killing 200 people. I think hanging is a small thing for him. He should be suffering more. Hanging is a small thing. Or Saddam was there. All these big people. Tyrants were there. Some are serial killers. What big bad sins they do, I don't want to talk. I mean, capital punishment is a small punishment. Because he made many people suffer badly. Brutally he was killing with a stone throwing. बोले काम करो, इसको नरक भेजो इसको. He is not fit. बोले why? बोले no, but send him in human body. Oh no, even if beat, he will get some joy. I want a permanent sorrow for him. You read Bhagavad. Narak is a requirement. And there are 20-30 kind of narak mentioned in Bhagavad. अब क्या करें भाई? No, he had to go through painful situation. So what is meaning of narak? Situation which will make him feel aham dukhi, aham dukhi, aham dukhi, aham dukhi. And there they get yatna deh. So Garud Puran people are afraid. But they're very right. So like, as you enter, so you get a special body. The body is such, you won't die. And that body can be troubled tremendously. So Kumbhi Pak is one narak is there. I'm not taking all the names. Kumbhi Pak. So when this person goes, so there is a bus for each narak. So they were like Kumbhi Pak. So there, they enter there. Then he is taken by the Yamdut. अब उसको ले आया गया वाला. बोले see, you had extra marital relation, you left your wife. No, come here now. Come here. You read, I'm not joking. I have read it sufficiently many times. There is one burning pillar. बोले hug that. बोले no. बोले lo. I'll tie you now. You are very fond of hugging, no? Now you hug that. And then video is displayed. This is you, You see your action replay. You are killing lot of animals, no? Now animals are there. Now spears are brought by. And they are all piercing him. All is to create dukkhakar vritti. When a person goes through sorrow, one question comes, हमने ऐसा क्या किया था? कुछ तो गलती हो गई होगी. Everything which you are deprived in your life, it is to sensitize you that be careful in your dealing. हमसे क्या गलती हो गई थी ऐसे? हमको ये फल क्यों मिला? This question comes, why only I got this fruit? कुछ तो हुआ होगा हमसे. And result is, okay, जो हो गया सो हो गया. I'll be sensitive now. Let us not be, now be careful. So, Narak and Swarg is not only here. I have heard such a statement, बोले स्वर्ग नरक सब यही है. अरे बात करते हो, तुमको क्या पता स्वर्ग नरक क्या? स्वर्ग भी है, लोक है वो. नरक भी लोक है वो. It is there. पितृलोक है वो. अब पितृलोक की जरूरत क्या पड़ गई? Somebody is too attached to his family. बोले I want to see my son, grandson, great-grandson, great-great-great-grandson. So यही है उनका प्रोजेक्ट. Everybody is not satsangi. So when he dies, he goes to the Pitralok. And from Pitralok, he will see everybody. His own family. And he will bless and curse also if they do something wrong. They are called Pitar. It is like Swarg. But like, HIG, MIG, LIG is there. So this is LIG kind of Swarg. You know, LIG, you know, no? Wash basin is not working properly. Geyser is very small. Only 1.5 bucket water. After that, cold water is there. And it is 1 BHK is there. This is LIG Swarg is there. So wash basin you open, it was broken, whole water came on your feet. So this is LIG Swarg. This HIG is there where quite a luxury is there. Bathroom is compartmentalized. This is dry, this is wet. Wash basin, hot, cold, both water comes. Ye HIG Swarg hai. So this is there. But he did not do that much of punya. Therefore, he has to be with Pitralok. So Pitralok is a lok where a person will see his family. For many years. And he is very happy. Mudanti Pitraha. If somebody does very good in the family, Mudanti Pitraha, they are very happy. Arey, ye hamare family ka kya bachcha nikla hai bhai. Swami Akhandanand ji used to say, the day I got sannyas, I slept and I dreamt. In the dream I saw that all pitars are coming and giving me abhishek. Aisa likha hai. Mudanti Pitraha. They are very happy to see that this person is there. He has done, he has done Kedarnath. So when Sankalp is given in Kedarnath, they will say it is for pitars also. So they are very happy that one person from my family has gone to Kailash Yatra, has gone to Kedarnath. We went, and their pandas are there. They can discover anything. They have the books. They can find out from which family you are, who your family came or not. So that is the state of Pitarlok. So similarly, Swargalok is there. Similarly, Brahmalok is there. Brahmalok is, I want to study Vedanta. Like supposing you are very interested. You don't want the class to stop. Supposing. I know you want to stop. But supposing classes are such, you want to continue. Or kuch chahiye nahi. I don't know why I have to lie down. I don't know why I have to eat. I don't know why I have to rest. अभी तो बस सुनते ही रहे यहाँ पे. अभी तो वेदांत, classical Vedanta will come slowly. बोले फिर ये इच्छा, बोले this इच्छा cannot be fulfilled here, because here you will feel tired. Here you need a change, posture changes there. You need a sleep. You need to eat something, thak gaye. But Brahmalok is there where Brahma ji is the teacher and he teaches you. Of course, if you keep on listening day and night, who will not have Gyan? With little discourses, person has Gyan. And therefore, importance of lokas are there. I hope you have. Gandharva lok is there. ये अलग लोक है. अब उसमें गाने वाले पहुंच गए. और राग लगी हुई है, ताल लगी हुई है, डांस ही कर रहे हैं. Higher joy is there. One who is at the level of kala, his joy is higher. Here if you dance, you will get tired. Who will see the dance? Over there a dance is there. Singing is going on. And therefore you can see from some artist, बोले तो गंधर्व लोक से आए हैं ऐसा लग रहा है. He has come from that particular lok only. Lok means what? Lok means the infrastructure which allows your thought to express maximum in minimum without hurdles. You get that body, you get that outer situation. That is called lok. So don't think that lok is not there, सब यही है. अरे सब यही हो जाएंगे. The problem will be that if somebody has done very good action, then he has no particular lok. Then how to give him continuous sukh? He needs continuous sukh. And here there is a mix. Sukh, dukh is mixed here. Howsoever great, how rich you may be, you have to be born. Old age will be there, whether you are rich or poor. Reagan had Parkinson's disease. These big people also, Muhammad Ali had that disease. So all big people who are highly famous also, they also have to go through pains also. Then some cricketer will have injury here is there. Injury. Elbow shoulders kya hai? Tennis elbow is there. All are very painful. So popularity doesn't take away the pain. And therefore, these lokas are very important. We don't know. We see our very small world. Koopmandu, little, we see itna hi hai. Amchi, Mumbai. There is a big world. Like Swapnalok is there. Why you need a Swapnalok? Swapnalok is required to exhaust the repressed and suppressed thoughts. After dreaming, you will be lighter. And some fruit you have to get, which needs a very small something. I thought somebody is dead in my very close person is dead. In the dream, sometimes they die. And you are suffering in the dream. Then you get up. You are very happy. Thank God it was a dream. Then you check that person is there or not. But that much of sorrow was required only for a few seconds. Therefore that dream got over. So this is the Athatrayo Vavalokaha, Manushalokaha, Pitralokaha, Devalokaha. It is said here now. So how these lokas are got? Manushaloka putren ev jayyaha na annena karmana. This Manushalok is got by son. How we will see it? Karmana pitraloka, very good actions you did. Keval karmana, not upasana. Vidya devaloka, vidya means upasana. Page 263. Upasana and karma will give you devaloka. Acha, हाँ. And among all lokas, Devlok is superior. अब देखो भीष्म पितामह came from Vasu lok. Vasu. He was one of the Vasus. Bhishma Pitama was one of the Vasus. Ashtavasu. He was one of the Ashtavasus. Some I have seen, some have come from Naglok. Somewhere one girl is there, small girl, 7-8-year-old girl. All snakes are around her. Not one, two snakes, poisonous snakes around her sitting quietly, and she is playing with them. Naglok. All snakes are worshipping her. ये तो नाग कन्या कहीं से आ गई है. She will sleep with the snakes. These TV people came. You can see all these things. ये नागलोक से आ गई कहीं से. We think only one small world is there. Lot of combinations are there. Okay. Now, how this lok is attained and why this is there, we will see it in our tomorrow's class. And we'll move forward. Why by sun Manushya lok is obtained? Few mantras are on that. And what is the difference between karma and upasana? How upasana takes you to the bigger lok and karma cannot take you to that big lok. This topic will be there. What is the supremacy of upasana? Because I told you one day, when we do the punya, good lok is because of punya. Punya means what? Punati iti punyam, that purifies. The meaning of punyam is punati. You are having a thought of sukham for somebody. What the punya means, supposing you are feeding somebody, so actually you are not feeding, you are creating lot of thought in the Hiranyagarbha of sukh, may you be happy, or lelo, or lelo, or lelo. That means you be happy. Or distributing clothes. One day I was there in Vrindavan, some businessman came in winter, whole truck full of blanket. Truck full of blanket, hundreds of blanket. Anywhere he saw anybody is lying without blanket, it was a shivering cold near Delhi, he just was giving. While giving, actually he is propagating a thought, may you be happy. Isko aram mil jaye, aram mil jaye, aram mil jaye. This thought is called punya. And this thought, he has accumulated so much of thought in so many years that all thought to come back to him, it is not possible in this lok. It needs a bigger lok for that thought to come. And therefore, we need a higher lok for him. If the system does not give expression to my all fruit, it is incomplete system, which will make God less powerful. Because He is Sarvashakti. Therefore, all kind of lokas are there. Bhur, Bhuva, Suva, Jana, Tapa, Satyam. And here Talatal, Mahatal, Patal, etc. Lower lokas are also there. Like ashram is there. What you experience here, we cannot experience in kitchen. Kitchen lok is different, this satsang lok is different, office lok is different. Here experience you can't have in office lok. Office lok, another lok is there. And kitchen is another lok. Because I want some official work to be done, therefore you have to go to that lok. I want satsang, you have to come here. I want to eat, you have to go there. I want to lie down and sleep, then your lok, go in Yashoda and Kausalya. There you can lie down. I want to see Jivan Darshan, alag lok is there. So different lokas are there. As for your different expression, you need different lokas. Small. Multiply it at a macrocosmic level. There are macrocosmic lokas are there. So please avoid that. बोले there is nothing Lord Pitar, there is nothing called Swarg Narak, सब यही है. ऐसा नहीं है. Upanishads are saying, Gita says, Bhagavad says, Mahabharata says, Purana says, and they describe the internal lokas also sometimes. Okay. Chalo, we will see more tomorrow.